Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing wheel hubs on my HHR SS. The wheel bearing on the left side of my car is totally shot. So I'm going to do both sides today, so let's get started. So now that I have the rotor and caliper off, you can see the big old 36mm nut that holds the axle in. The rotor and caliper, the rotor's right here. Caliper is just sitting on two boxes here, just so there's some slack in the line. And then the next step is going to be breaking this nut, and hopefully the right size socket right here will fix that. I think that's the right size. Let's see. So as you can see, the nut is off. That's all ready to go. Right there. This is the connection for the ABS. This car is equipped with ABS. Not all Cobalts and HHRs have this, but I'm pretty sure all SS model cars have ABS. Anyways, you disconnect that, and then you hit this with a hammer, and that's coming all out. Boom, and you're done. See if I can film and work at the same time. I highly doubt it. I don't even know if you can see that. Boom. Boom! I did it! So a huge status update. In order to get this hub off, you had to put a series of sockets together on the back nut, undone a little bit, and then you have somebody turning the steering wheel so it's putting pressure on that bolt to push this off and out, and then I had to get a hammer and hammer at the same time. Only then did it come loose. That pulled off. And you can see how bad this was. This is supposed to be attached to this, what's left inside here. They're not even together anymore. That's how bad this is. Hunks of junk. This is the actual ABS sensor right here. Trash. Okay, so I had the wrong hub, so I had to go back and return it and get a new one. Just got back from the store now. I'm gonna show you what the old one looked like. It was literally so bad, it was coming apart. Let me see if it's focused. Focus. This ABS part of the thing wasn't even connected. So that's trash. New one literally, let's see, focus. Okay, the new one slides onto these studs. The ABS gets plugged in. Make sure you put the wire through first, and then plug it in, clip it into this clip holder. And then 3 bolts right here, boom, boom, boom from the back. Plug those in, put the nut on, torque that down, and you're good to go. So we're gonna slam this all back together and make it go quick. Okay, ignore the stupid gate making noise over there. So the more and more I do this, the more and more I find out how hard it is to film and work at the same time. But I got it in, it's done. It's all done. I advise, we'll film more on the next side, but I advise you take off this steering arm first. Makes work a lot easier on this. The nut in the middle comes off pretty easily. This was rusted together, so we had to get a series of sockets, socket extension arms, and have a bolt loose in there, pressing against the frame right here, as well as me beating on it with a hammer to get this loose. So we'll show you some of that on the next one. Sensor goes right back into place, and this side's done. We'll see how it sounds going down the road in a little bit. Well, I'm absolutely thrilled to report that fixed the issue. It no longer makes a nasty sound when I'm going down the road, even at 30 miles an hour. So I'm happy to report that. Be prepared, because tomorrow I'm gonna be putting on some new wheels and tires. I'm super excited, so stay tuned for the next episode.
But
No!
woo!
No! What are the odds, Daniel? What are the odds?
Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's chase him down.
What?
If you want to.
I don't know.
Wait, is that the same one?
Same exact thing, dude! What the heck? The only time I'm ever doing this. What the heck?
Is that an HHR?
Same thing, same exact thing. Same exact thing. What the heck, man? There's only two that I know of. What?
What just happened?
We were doing takes of me doing a burnout for the closing shot, and oh, lo and behold, an HHR SS red comes the other way when there's only two actually HHR SSs that I even know of in this area, so that just blew my mind.